Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Maruya and I am a nutritionist, and today I am sharing with you 3 best oatmeal recipes that are healthy and delicious addition in your diet. Let's get started. Here are 3 types of oats: old-fashioned rolled oats, organic steel cut oats, as well as on number 3 is quick or instant oats. Organic old-fashioned rolled oats. These are oats grouts that have gone through a steaming and flattening process. They have a milder flavor and soft texture and takes much less time to cook than steel cut oats as they have been partially cooked. A bowl of rolled oats only takes 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Steel cut oats are grouts of whole oats which have been chopped into 2 to 3 pinhead sized pieces. Steel cut oats retain their structure even after cooking and take longer time to digest. That is why help to keep you full for longer period of time. Usually take longer time to cook, approximately 30 to 40 minutes, and need to be soaked in water for at least 2 to 3 hours before cooking, ideally overnight. But then we have instant oats. These oats have been steamed and rolled extremely thin. Due to that reason, these cook really fast. Like it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to cook a bowl of quick oats. However, these oats can spike your blood sugar level very fast because they takes much less time to digest. That is why I don't recommend using these oats. Instead, I use steel cut oats or old-fashioned rolled oats. To cook oatmeal, the basic oats to liquid ratio is 1:3, which means for 1 cup of oats, you require 3 cups of any liquid. You can either use water or you can use water and milk mixture. Normally, I use water and milk mixture, which means that for 1 cup of oats, I take 2 cups of milk plus 1 cup of water. Because oats when gets cooled down, they absorb more liquid and gets very thick. I find this ratio ideal to cook a creamy oatmeal bowl. To cook a basic oatmeal single serving recipe, you need half a cup of organic old-fashioned rolled oats, and we have to dry roast these oats because oats, like other grains, have lactic and phytic acid. These lectin and phytic acids are nutrient inhibitors, which means when you eat food containing lectin and phytic acid, it reduces the absorption of many nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and iron. However, soaking and cooking reduces lectin and phytic acid because these are water soluble. Then add 1 cup of full fat milk. You can use any milk of your choice, either dairy or dairy free, followed by half a cup of water to make a 3 to 1 ratio of oats to liquid. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon for a balanced blood sugar level. If you see the lumps of cinnamon, stir well to remove those lumps. Add 1 tablespoon of organic honey to sweeten the oatmeal base. You can add any alternative of honey. Stir well to dissolve honey and also cook oats until it thickens. When the oatmeal gets thickens and also oats doubles in size, then you can remove it from the heat and pour into the bowl and add different flavorings of your choice. This is a basic oatmeal recipe is ready, and now you can add different flavors. So let's get started with 3 different oat flavors. The very first one is Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal. For a single serving recipe, you need 1 apple. You can cut the apple and remove any brown spots as well as the seeds. Apple is a rich source of polyphenols and soluble fibers. Soluble fiber and polyphenols may help to reduce your LDL, total cholesterol, and also help to regulate your bowel movement. Now chop the apple in very small pieces and add half of this chopped apple into the previously made oatmeal base and cook along with the apple until it thickens and oats double in size. Once the oats doubled in size and thickens, at this consistency, turn off the heat and pour the oatmeal into the bowl. Because oats when get cooled down, they get thick. So this is a perfect consistency for a creamy oatmeal. At this stage, also garnish the oats with the rest of the chopped apple as well as add 1 tablespoon of any nut butter of choice. I used organic peanut butter. Sprinkle it with some cinnamon for a healthy blood sugar level. Apple cinnamon oatmeal is ready. I hope you like this recipe. You can always make it ahead of time and warm it up in the morning. Let's make banana chocolate oatmeal. For this, the base of the oatmeal remains the same as you dry roast the oats and add milk as well as water. You can also scale up the recipe by number of serving. For example, if you wanna cook for 2 persons, then you can always multiply all the ingredients by 2 and increase the recipe. To sweeten the oatmeal base, I use 1 teaspoon of organic honey. You can use any honey alternative or you can use stevia drops. Add 1 teaspoon of cacao powder. I use organic cacao powder because it's a rich source of antioxidant. Now stir well to remove any clumping of the cacao. Do not use Dutch process or any other artificial form of the cacao powder. For banana oatmeal, we need 1 banana. You can peel banana and slice half of the banana as well as mash remaining half. Add chopped banana into the oatmeal base and cook along with the oatmeal until thickens. Mash any large chunks of banana and add 1 teaspoon of flax meal. Flax meal is ground flax seeds, which are rich source of omega-3 fatty acid, which is an anti-inflammatory fatty acid. To add extra protein and healthy fatty acid, I coarsely ground 10 to 12 almonds. To remove the phytic acid, I dry toast the almonds and then coarsely ground them into the mortar and pestle. You can always use a grinder to coarsely ground the almonds. Add half of the coarsely ground almonds into the oatmeal base and cook until thickens. Pour the oatmeal into the bowl and garnish with the sliced banana as well as the remaining half of the coarsely ground almonds. I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy. Let's make our third recipe, which is strawberry cream oatmeal. For the base of the oatmeal, we need half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Dry roast the oats to remove the phytic acid, then add 1.5 cup of water. In this oatmeal base, we don't use any milk. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well as half a teaspoon of organic vanilla extract. To sweeten the oatmeal base, add 1 tablespoon of organic honey and stir to dissolve the honey and cook the base until thickens. To make the strawberry jam, we need half a cup of frozen strawberries. You can also use fresh strawberries. Add 1/4 cup of water along with 1 tablespoon of organic honey to sweeten the base of the jam. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder for a color and also antioxidant. Add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and cook the jam until thickens and set aside. The base of the oatmeal is ready and oats doubled in size. Now turn off the heat and set aside the base of the oatmeal. To make the high protein cream, we need 1/4 cup of organic Greek yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of sour cream and mix well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of organic vanilla extract and mix. Let's assemble the oatmeal. For this, add the oatmeal base into the bowl and top with strawberry jam and the cream. It's just like a dessert. You can also use it in the breakfast or as a healthy snack option because it's rich source of protein, fiber and healthy fats. I hope you like all these recipes. Don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes.